So now, in order to pair one again from any screen, we're on the radio at the moment. What I always do, I go into the phone first. It's not necessarily what the manufacturers tell you to do, but I always onto settings, onto Bluetooth, onto phone. Searching for past paired phones, you've got add, Bluetooth and close. So I want to add one. Corresponding button there. Please begin.
On the device and enter the PIN provided by Sync.
Okay, it's saying hands-free first, but I'm sure it will, yeah, there you go, it's changed to Sync. So into Sync. Taking its time. Here we go. So the PIN is 085524, 08552, oh, missed 2 there, 4, and then pair. I don't want it to allow my contacts and favourites to sync, but you will, so don't allow
Pairing
that.
successful. Please check your device, and if necessary, grant Sync permission to access it. For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Right, it's also asking me, do you want to set Barry's iPhone 10 as a favourite phone, yes or no? Yes. That's that done.